In this video from Device Doctor, we'll show you a simple and effective method to fix color printing issues on Epson L4260 and L6290 printers. If your printer isn't printing colors properly, make sure to watch this video till the end.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
First, we will perform a nozzle check to find out which colors have printing problems. This is an easy and simple step. You just need to go to the printer settings and run the nozzle check from there. As you can see, the colors that have problems are black, cyan, and magenta, while the yellow color is printing perfectly. First, you should keep all the ink tank covers open. Go to the printer screen and use the buttons to navigate to the printer settings. From there, find the head cleaning option and start the cleaning process. Now, wait patiently until the cleaning process is fully completed. You need to make sure that the ink tank covers are open in order to get a good result. After the cleaning process is completed, you need to perform another nozzle check. On some printers, the nozzle check runs automatically, but if it does not, you can easily do it manually to see the result of the head cleaning. As you can see, the magenta color is now working properly, and only cyan and black still have very small issues. Now just run the head cleaning process one more time to completely fix the problem. Now wait again for the cleaning process to finish. It takes about 3 minutes. Once it is completed, we can check the result. The nozzle check is now complete, and as you can see, all the colors are printing perfectly. This simple head cleaning process has fully fixed the problem. If you found this video helpful, please support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you for watching Device Doctor.